Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a simple easy cheese pizza, and I'm actually trying out this Pillsbury's best pizza dough, and this is the classic dough, I believe. Yes, classic crust, and it has no preservatives, and all you do is roll it out and it's pizza dough. So I decided to try it out for the first time, and we'll see together how it comes out. We're just gonna do a simple cheese pizza, but first I gotta go ahead and make some pizza sauce. So here I just have some DOP San Marzano tomatoes, and I'm just gonna put in the pan some olive oil, and then I have 2 cloves of garlic that I'm going to mince up, and then I also here have just a little bit of diced onion. I usually would not put onion in my sauce unless I'm making a pizza. Usually I like just garlic in my sauce if I use it for pasta or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of yellow onion as well. And then I just have some cheese for the toppings since Aiden doesn't like any toppings, and some olive oil. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and put in some olive oil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put our flame here on medium. Let's do medium low. And once this heats up, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in our diced onion. And once that softens a little, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the minced garlic as well. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add in our diced onion now that our olive oil is nice and hot, and then I'm gonna mince up the garlic and stir everything together. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and mince up all this garlic here nice and fine and add it to our pan. Okay, here we have our garlic and our onion now. It's just sauteing, getting soft. Once our onion is softened with the garlic, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in our sauce here. And then I'm gonna crush down all of the plum tomatoes. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and season it with salt, pepper, and oregano. I usually don't put oregano inside my sauce, but for pizza, we are going to be using oregano. And yeah, that's basically it, and maybe a little bit of sugar as well, so we can sweeten up the sauce a bit. Sauce here, it might splash on me, and I'm gonna back away. And then whatever excess sauce is in here, I'm just gonna fill it up maybe this much with water, swish it around and add it. I'm just gonna add in. All right, I poured our sauce in. Now we're just gonna let this simmer a bit so that the tomatoes can soften and I can smush it down. I added a little bit of water as well, and then I'm gonna go ahead and season this once we smush everything down. Now I'm just gonna go ahead in with this and smush all these tomatoes. And I'm so sorry for the background noise. Aiden's being a little silly. Usually when he gets tired, he starts making funny noises. Now I went ahead and added some salt. Gonna mix that in. Now let's add pepper. All right, here I added our seasonings. We have oregano, we have salt, we have pepper, we have garlic powder. And I'm just gonna mix all of this together now. And just so our sauce isn't so bitter, I'm gonna go ahead and also add in some sugar. So I'm gonna start with 1 teaspoon. Scoop that in. And I like to gradually go along with this because I like to stir it up and let the sugar melt down and then taste from there. And then if I think it needs more sugar, I'll add it. I'm still gonna go ahead with 1 more teaspoon, but this one is not gonna be as heaping. And I think that's all I'm going to use. Put this away. Okay, that is perfect. All right, guys, our sauce is done for our pizza. And now we're gonna go ahead and get into the unrolling of the dough. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to unroll the dough. So here I have a non-stick pan, but I coated it just a little more with olive oil just in case the pizza sticks. Now this pizza already comes in a sheet. So we're just gonna roll it out now. I'm just gonna flip it in. All right, now I'm just gonna let Aiden put whatever he wants on top. Aiden, come here, bud. Can you help me make pizza? You wanna make the pizza? Pull a chair on over, babe. Come here, don't touch the sauce, it's hot.
I can make it?
Mm-hmm. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the sauce, and can you pour it on here for me?
Okay.
Wow, and now mix it around, okay? I'll mix it like this. Can you do that for me?
Okay.
Very slow, okay? I don't want it to spill. Beautiful.
Yeah.
And can I help?
Yeah.
So I'll do some and then you do some, okay?
No, I want to do cheese.
You want to do the cheese?
Yeah. Let me taste the sauce.
Okay, dip your finger in and taste it.
Okay. It's sauce.
Tastes like sauce?
It's the same one.
Mm-hmm. That's because Mommy made it homemade.
Yes, but that sauce is what we can. That sauce is for the pasta.
Yeah, this one's for the pasta.
Yeah, Mom. Now, can you get a new one of that?
What?
A new one of that.
Yeah. Now we're gonna take some cheese.
My aunt pour it in.
No, you don't pour it. You have to take it with your fingers like this and then sprinkle it, okay?
Okay.
Wow, good job.
I go another.
Yeah, do all around the pizza, okay?
Okay, with this.
Mm-hmm.
Can I take the cheese?
Yeah.
And here?
Mm-hmm. How's it taste? Good?
What's that?
Don't touch it still.
What is it?
That's the pizza crust.
This was that.
Mm-hmm.
There's the sauce, Mom.
Yeah, not that one.
What sauce? What
In
sauce?
that one. Be careful, it's hot.
But I'll be careful. Okay?
Okay.
When you now cut the fit now.
Mm-hmm.
I can't taste that one because I can.
Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven on 400 degrees and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, what do you think of the pizza? Yeah, delicious. All right, love you.